afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for calling My Best Restaurant. How can I assist you?
I have made a reservation for tonight.
Of course, sir. We'd be happy to accommodate you. May I know your name, please?
Hi, my name is Manisha Rogal and my reservation is booked for 2 person.
Thank you. And what time would you like to reserve your table, sir?
7 p.m. if that's okay.
Let me check our availability, sir.
Sure.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Your table reservation, sir, is available at 7 p.m.
Okay.
Can I also get your additional number, sir?
0912747016.
Thank you, sir. We would love to see you tonight.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good evening, ma'am and sir. Welcome to My Best Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, yeah.
Wait for a minute. I will check your reservation. Table for how many, sir?
One table and good for 2 person.
Would you like to sit in a smoking area or smoking area?
What do you prefer?
Non-smoking area, please. Okay, sir. Let me call our staff to assist you.
Much good. Take your time.
Hello, Miss Sarah. Can you please assist our guests here in front desk? Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, sir. This is our staff, Sarah. Sarah, take our guests to their table and enter. This way, ma'am, sir.
Thank you.
Are you comfortable with your seat, ma'am, sir?
Yes.
Just exist for a while, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, sir. May I delay your natin?
Hello, good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. This is your Are you ready to order your food?
Yes. I would have seasoned salad and honey diversity. How about yours?
Your order is Caesar salad with the medium rare steak and evening. How's everything?
Everything is